colleagues in the trust, principal, teachers, parents, and my dear students. At the very outset, I'd like to congratulate the principal, the teachers for having started this wonderful idea of having the Dasara celebration in our school. And I'd like to thank the parents for sending the dolls which have been exhibited in the school. Now, our teachers already told you about the Dasara celebrations. It started way back in the Vijayanagar kingdom, and after the fall of Vijayanagar kingdom, it was started by Rajavadiyar in the year 1610 at Srirangpatna. Since then, the Dasara celebrations have been going on except for the break during the period of Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan. Now here, the significance of having this celebration here in our school is to see that our children understand the significance of the festival, they understand the culture, they understand the civilization, they understand what is behind this particular doll exhibition. As they already said, the doll exhibition has a lot of significance, and Dasara is celebrated not only in Mysore, not only in South India. In East it is celebrated as Durga Puja, and in North it is celebrated on the Vijayadashmi day as the victory of good over evil. Now children, what I would like to tell you, all of you, is just simple, just two things. One, always speak the truth. Never deviate yourself from the truth. It is difficult, but try to follow the truth, and truth will take care of you. Two, always try to do good things, because ultimately it is the good things which will take care of you, and it is always the good that wins. The evil is always destroyed. So don't have any bad ideas in your mind. Always think of good things, and then I'm sure you will succeed. A word to the parents: never compare your wards, your children with other children, because every child is something special. Every child has got certain inherent qualities, certain creative qualities are there in each child, and the idea here in our school is to see that that creativity is encouraged, and I'm sure all the teachers are doing a wonderful job in ensuring that creativity which is there in every child comes out. And once again, I'd like to congratulate our principal for having organized this function, so to see that we